Hello, in front of me I have Imilab W11L smartwatch, and I'm gonna show you how to measure the heart rate on this device. Before we start, a quick disclaimer: if you want to get the most accurate results of your measurements, make sure to put your watch on your wrist, secure it tightly so it doesn't move around, and while you're measuring your heart rate, try to not move around too much, try to keep still. I'm just gonna put my finger on the sensor right here, but because of that, my results might be not too accurate. Okay, so let's continue with the measurements. First thing you need to do is to wake up the screen on your watch, and you can do it by pressing the side button. After you wake up the screen, swipe right on the screen to open the menu, and here, as you can see, we have the HR icon, the heart rate. Tap on it, and the watch should start measuring the heart rate automatically because it's measuring the heart rate in real time. So I'm gonna put my finger on the sensor, and let's wait for the result. And here we have it. This number will jump around a little until it stabilizes, and once it stabilizes, this should be your current heart rate. Okay, so mine is around 60, 68, 69. Okay, and once you're done measuring your heart rate, you can press the side button to go back, like that. And that's how you measure the heart rate on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.